everybody, it's Doug. Today is Stock Lock Sunday, and we have ourselves a stock lock that is in Iseo, or Iseo, who knows. It's Italian. Made in Italy. And this comes to me, I believe, if I remember correctly, from AJ Clark. So I am still very new to Euros, and they're an interesting challenge no matter what. So let's see if we can make some progress here and take some very careful tensioning. I will tell you as I'm working on this, let's see. First of all, by the way, I'm going to be trying a short hook from my lock tools set. So basically, this one came to me with its, life of grime inside of it. No, I did not see life of crime. That's my own problem. But with all its lifetime of grime inside of it, and it was sticky, tricky to get into. It was a hard pick, and it was fighting me all the way. What I managed to do was to get it open, clean out the insides, wiped everything down, no lube or anything crazy like that, but wiped everything nice and clean, put it all back together, and it is now a functional, well-behaved lock. Getting it open is still a very tricky matter, and you'll see inside why. But if you've noticed the counter rotation and the false set that I experienced already, it is, boy, what a different feel these Euro locks have. But it is very spool filled. So let's take the lock properly apart. I will tell you that because of my previous dealings with it, I already took the piece, the clip off the back, since it's an expansion type clip instead of a traditional C-clip. Well, it's the, you know what I mean. It's the crazy European clip. Got it right over here. And I think I'm not going to be able to show it to you, but you know what I mean. Anyhow, let's see where we go with this. Get our follower going. Got our shim in there already. Shim out the other side. Okay, pins wise, 5-pinner as you saw. There's one. Sorry about that. Dealing with the phone. Pin 2. Pin 3. 4. And 5. And these are all, no surprise, it's standard pins. Up into the Bible. One is a spool, and 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. Getting the trend here. 4 is also a spool, and surprisingly, 5 is not a spool, and that's not really a surprise. Those of you who are experienced in gutting, you've seen that you really don't want spools in every single one of them, because then the lock will immediately tilt with a false set before you even put the key in it. You need at least one regular pin to hold things together. So there we go. That is our Iseo or Iseo or whatever it may be, made in Italy, beautiful lock for your stock lock Sunday. And I can tell you now the springs are pretty much a sprinkling of everything. There you go. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. You guys take care. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Thanks everybody. Have a happy Stock Lock Sunday.